keep your food fresher longer with Airlock's uniquely designed vacuum and heat sealers. The microthermal handheld bag sealer uses heat to give an airtight, water-resistant seal on basically anything. It's a simple and more effective solution than clips, clamps, or rubber bands that we use to keep our food from going stale. We especially like that you can recharge it via USB, so you can get virtually unlimited uses out of it. And because it's small and portable, you can easily stow in a kitchen drawer or use its magnet to store it on the fridge. The compact vacuum sealer takes the air out of a bag in less than 30 seconds. The Airlock comes with a set of freezable, leak-proof bags, so you can cook in bulk and never worry about freezer burn.
You need is the Rolly Egg Master, the fast, easy, pan-free way to make perfect eggs every time. Just crack, pour, and Rolly Egg Master pops up delicious eggs in minutes. It cooks your eggs just like a real pan, without all the butter, fat, and mess. Look at that! And what makes Rolly eggs really great is their new easy-to-eat shape. Make a delicious bacon and egg Rolly for breakfast, or a vegetable egg white Rolly for a healthy lunch. If you can make toast, you can make a mouth-watering Rolly treat. Just crack, pour, and watch them pop up in no time. The secret is vertical cooking technology that combines a cylindrical non-stick cooking surface surrounded by a revolutionary heating element, so your eggs pop up hot, fluffy, and perfectly cooked. And because of their round shape, you can take them for a quick meal on the run.
I bet you're very thirsty. Think twice before you reach for that single-use bottle. Ugh. Doesn't exactly smell of meadows, right? So you want clean, perfectly fresh-tasting water. How about a bottle that cleans itself? We've created the Lark bottle, the world's first self-cleaning bottle with on-the-go water purification. We've scaled this LED technology to fit inside this cap. Imagine a pitcher of questionable water. Lark starts working at the touch of a button, and in 60 seconds, you've got pristine drinking water. Lark works automatically in the background, 6 times a day, to keep your bottle and water crystal clean. And Lark is 100% BPA-free stainless steel. It's vacuum sealed and double insulated, so it stays cold for 24 hours and hot for 12 hours, and never breaks a sweat. Ah!
The Zulai Kitchen Professional Dough Blender. This is not your typical dough blender. Features 5 thick blades over the usual 4. The durable polished stainless steel wire blades are thicker and sturdier than our competitors. Made of durable stainless steel that won't rust. Has a comfortable non-slip handle with a soft grip that perfectly fits small to medium-sized hands. And the non-slip handle makes it easier to control. Cuts through cold butter with ease. Extremely versatile. Chop fruit, vegetables, and nuts, mash up avocados or egg salad, make delicious guacamole. Easy to clean and store.
Of enjoying a beverage outside, only to look down and discover an unwanted visitor swimming in your cup? With Drink Top's outdoor glass covers, you can say goodbye to the pests and hello to the fresh drinks. Drink Tops are made with high-quality, BPA-free silicone to help keep drinks cool longer and free from debris. The tops can be used for any occasion, from picnics and barbecues to outdoor activities. Forget which cup is yours? Never lose sight of your drink again. With a range of colors, you can easily find your glass every time. Allergies to bees are no joke, but with a patent-pending tap and seal design, your drink will be fully protected from any unwelcome pests and will stay fresh from first pour to last sip. Enjoy the outdoors and your beverage with drink tops. Just cover, sip, and enjoy.
The thermometer is one of the most important tools in the kitchen today. It is essential for getting exactly the result you want with meat, fish, sauces, pastries, and bread. Temperature affects everything: taste, texture, and appearance, everything you put on the plate. When we set out to find the best thermometer for the professional kitchen, we were surprised to find there was no such thing. Existing thermometers are of poor quality, unreliable, or they are extremely expensive and not designed for cooking in the first place. That's why we decided to create the perfect thermometer ourselves.